Good morning, my friends, and Merry Christmas. Good. Say Merry Christmas to your friends.
Merry Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas, Odessa.
Merry Christmas, Dessa.
Merry Christmas, Ace.
Merry Christmas, Ace.
And say Jan.
Merry Christmas, Jen.
Purple.
Merry Christmas, Purple.
And Ja.
Merry Christmas.
Ja.
Merry Christmas.
Lucy.
Merry Christmas.
And everybody else, Merry Christmas. So we're about to open the Christmas presents. Right? You excited?
Yeah, Santa Claus did it on the presents.
Yeah, he brought some other presents when we were sleeping.
Yeah, he gave me a turkey.
Oh yeah, he left her some cookies. He ate cookies but left some for her, right?
Yeah.
What was it? It was reindeer?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, reindeer.
Yeah, the reindeer. Santa Claus wants the car.
Mm-hmm.
He wants to ride it.
And yeah, if you see over my left shoulder, my son is laying in the couch. He's hiding. Okay, so when I end this video, we're gonna start opening up presents. I have the pork shoulder in the oven. I have my ground meat defrosted for the baked ziti. These guys are gonna help me peel some potatoes for the potato salad. Really. And then I'm gonna start up with the rice as well. So we're gonna have like a little small dinner. So join us for the last day of Vlogmas, my friend. Can you believe it?
Yeah.
It's the last day of Vlogmas. Last day.
Yes,
Yeah, Christmas. Vlogmas 25. It's been a long journey, my friends, but we're here. We're on the last day of the video. And hopefully you guys enjoy these 25 days of videos that I put out for you guys. I worked super hard. And I know a lot of them came out the next day, but it wasn't my fault. First, the computer is so slow rendering videos. And then I had to wait for YouTube to approve the video to make sure there was no, like, copyright stuff. And I don't know, that took an extra, like, I realized this year You okay? You're dying over there?
I hope not.
All right, guys. So this is the aftermath of Christmas morning, my friends. Yes, it is. Oh, you got your socks on? How'd it feel? Yeah, so this is the aftermath. I'm going to record myself cleaning this up. And then I'm going to sit down and talk to you guys about the presents because some of you guys got my kids.
My friend. So,
Go ahead, talk.
hey, my friends. He had a bone.
Mm-hmm.
It's lucky.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this. It's a Metody doll.
Mm-hmm.
This. They're all the same. You want to see this?
No, I showed them your toys earlier. But what you want to say? Thank you to who? Thank you who?
Again.
And who else?
Purple.
Purple.
Yes, Purple came through again. Thank you, girl. I appreciate the love and support you give this channel and to my family. It's crazy. We only know each other through social media since back, I think it's in August. I think that's when I first came across her channel because of Doc. And can I explain to them how I found Purple?
I want to talk to them.
All right, can you give me 5 minutes so I can say something? And then you could talk.
Blah, 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 blah.
Okay, so I got introduced to Purple through Doc. She was interviewing Doc, and from there on, I just watched her. I came in one of those games that she did, Little Nightmares. I think it was Little Nightmares, where I got really into her personality, and from there on we just been following each other. She's been following my family, and she's got a good heart. So thank you, Purple. Thank you, Jen. And thank you, Daddy, Mommy, and Santa Claus, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, that's a baby.
Yeah, you got a big baby. That's a hefty baby there. So
Wait.
yeah, so let me show you what Purple got. Baby girl, sorry guys, I'm gonna give you a better thing. So there was a couple of gifts there, and wait, one at a time. Look, you just shook the camera. That's why I say patience, okay? So she got her a Baby Yoda little Bluetooth boombox thing. I'm gonna hook it up later. She got her a carton of crayons, different kinds, you know, pearl, metallic, neon, confetti. Yeah. And then, like she said on her little notes, the show stopper needs her own camera. So she's got her own little camera. I'm going to see how good it works. So you ready to be like taking your own videos?
Yeah.
Yeah. And the good thing is it has an HD screen, upturned lens. So I'm going to see, it says no power supply above recommended value. Okay, so I'm going to check it out, see how good it is. And yeah, so thank you, Purple. The boys are over here. Say thank you, Purple.
Thank you, Purple.
Look at Lucky. Lucky's just sitting there. They're happy. So as you saw me, I cleaned up. I showed you a little bit. The vlog is not over yet. I think I still got more to go, so I'm just kind of coming in and out. Vlogmas 25 is going to be a little more, like I said, chillax and stuff like that. Oh, yeah, and then she got some presents like clothes, some PJs that she needed, some more jeans, definitely. She got a sweatsuit outfit here. More PJs, because you know you need PJs. A nice little sweater, because if you know, New York is getting really, really, really super cold out here. More shirts, you know, long sleeve shirts, because she definitely needs long sleeve shirts because it is so cold here in New York City. It is not funny. It is not funny, my dudes. Not funny at all. But yeah, let me let you guys go. I'm gonna let them go, baby girl, because I gotta go and start cooking dinner for the family. It is already close to 12 o'clock. So I'm gonna start cooking because I want to have everything done by at least 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock the latest. And I'm gonna go drink my coquito. I gotta mix up the liquor because I did buy it yesterday. I went outside yesterday to buy some liquor. I got the liquor for the coquito, and I also bought Ciroc apple. I mixed that with some Sprite. You know, you mix it up the way you like it, a little more, a little less. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna have tonight to drink. Again, the menu is panin, baked ziti, arroz con gandules, and potato salad. So nice and festive. And again, Merry Christmas to those who celebrated. And I'll see you in a little bit when I pick up the camera. See you later. All right, my friends. So I've been busy in the kitchen cooking Christmas dinner, and I want to show you what I made. So this is panin. I already shredded off from the bone. So that's the shredded panin. Then I have arroz con gandules with pieces of cut up ham, cooked ham. This right here is the baked ziti. That's a lot of cheese, you know. I love cheese. And last but not least, the potato salad. Like I said, it's...
No, it had eggs.
Yeah, with eggs. Let's correct it. Baby sir, potato salad with eggs. Okay.
Different made.
So this is going to be dinner for tonight. I'm about to serve everyone because everyone is starving. It is exactly 6 o'clock. Like I said, I roughly wanted to be around 4 to 6, something around there. And thankfully to my hubby, he peeled the potatoes and cut some. It kind of helped me out in some time. But yeah, this is what we're going to have. And I'm going to start serving everybody. And I hope you guys are having a great Christmas tonight. And I'll see you in a bit. Hey my friends, so we are going to be ending the vlog right here. I did have a fun time on gift wrapping with the kids, and then after that I cleaned up the gift wrapping papers. I showed you a little bit of baby girl's toys. We gave our thank you to all the ones that gave us gifts. And now we're about to eat dinner, right? We're about to eat dinner?
Yeah. Good.
Oh yeah, that was from a little stock sale first, right?
No, Jen come in the store.
No, I did that. I bought this from the store, remember? For Five Below. But you didn't even know. You wasn't even paying attention because you was playing with the little boy, Alice. Ace, I think. His name is Ace.
Wait.
So we got these right here.
Wait, different mine.
This is called Gabby's Dollhouse. So it's a Netflix show.
House.
No, it says Gabby's Dollhouse.
It had no big house. And the stabby thing.
Mm-hmm.
And the big house to him.
Yeah.
And you get this other way, the Christmas thing, and you open. That is the kitty cat house. He's up in the store.
Yeah.
Stepping.
So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna eat for dinner tonight, guys. Okay, my friends. So this is what we are going to be eating. She decided she didn't want no baked ziti, so we just gave her rice, panid, and potato salad. I, on the other hand, took a little bit of everything. Yes, this is a little bit of everything. A spoonful of mashed potato, a spoonful of rice, maybe a claw of panid, and also a spoon of baked ziti. Sorry for my voice. I didn't want to eat too much, so I just basically, come on, focus on the food. Focus on the food.
Let's eat the hands.
There we go. It's focusing on the food, guys. Sorry. It was kind of blurry. I just saw it. I'm going to take a picture of it, and then a picture of baby girls. So I'm going to be editing, so I got my setup right here. She's watching YouTube, so I don't want to look it up there.
It's
Sorry.
a headphone.
Right below it is my editing software. After I finish this clip, I'm going to put everything together. It is exactly 6:40, so this video might not be up completely tonight. I apologize. If it does make it before midnight tonight, then hallelujah, hallelujah. But if it doesn't, it's okay. You guys will see it in the morning tomorrow if I don't post it up today by 11:30, because like I said, it is 6:40.
Yeah. It's nighttime.
It's night. I know, right? It feels like such later time.
Yeah, it opened the present. It did food.
It feels like it's about 10.
Look, it did food and presents into the truck. What the?
Oh, and I had my first cup of coquito, which it was good. So yeah, we put alcohol in it. It was really, really good. I felt that. So I don't know if I'm gonna drink another one or just chillax for a little bit. Thank you, baby. I'm sorry. Yeah, so I'm just gonna edit what I got, put this clip to the video, and hopefully
open this.
That's it. Yeah, once we end the vlog, okay?
You open this.
You
need to open this Dabby house.
Yeah.
Alright,
guys, so if you like this video, my friends, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. But if you didn't like it, it's okay. It's not everybody's cup of tea. Also, if you like watching what I do here as a content creator, don't forget to hit the sub button down below. I got a headache, my dudes. I don't know why. My head is kind of like pounding right now, and I apologize the way I look. Even though I did have a cup of coquito, I don't know, I might not drink after that, just to be honest. Maybe if I eat the food, it'll bring it down and stuff like that. Also, hit the notification bell so you know when I upload a new video.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot something. You know that sub button that I said, go and hit that sub button if you like what I do here as a content creator. I consider it as a friendship button. And for people who's been rocking with me and knows me for a very long time, knows that that is my friendship button. And I want to thank you, yes, you, for clicking that and becoming my friend and wanting to get to know me and my daughter and my family whenever they want to be on the video. Thank you for, clicking it. So yeah, sub, you like, notification bell. That's it, baby girl?
Hey.
We're going to open that after? Yeah? Yeah. Say, Merry Christmas, my friends.
Merry Christmas, Jen. Merry Christmas, Rod and Purple.
And Lucy. Say, Lucy.
Happy birthday.
Lucy.
Lucy.
Okay. Yeah. And Grandma.
Grandma.
Theo.
Theo. Yeah.
And Gabby.
Daddy had a present.
Uh-huh. And Crazy Lou?
Crazy Lou.
And Hutch?
Crazy Lou, why are you watching the TV? The mic is off.
Say Hutch, Merry Christmas.
Hush, Merry Christmas.
Abby?
Ambi. Merry Christmas, Ambi.
Odessa?
Merry Christmas, Dessa. Happy.
Squids?
Happy.
Say Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Until next year, right?
Next year's more presents.
Okay. Bye, everybody.
Peace out.